If you have not yet entered data in your returns, please see our video on creating and editing forms. If you have data present, continue to the XML filing screen by clicking Electronic Filing in the toolbar and selecting Canada Revenue Agency. A page will come up with 5 steps. Proceed through the first 2 steps to select the company and return type you are submitting. On step 3, select Transmitter Setup to view the transmitter settings. Each field marked with an asterisk is required. Fill these out and click Close. If you want to choose an output folder that is not the default, click Output folder underneath. In step 4, select the method of submission and the status of the slips. The slip status will only add returns to the XML that match the status that is selected. You can also filter slips to process using Special e-filing checkbox or the subset tag. Both of these are found in the Advanced tab of the return. Once you have selected the appropriate settings, select XML file and validation report. The validation report will show you errors and warnings that exist in your data. As you can see, I have left some data blank and cannot proceed. This is what the screen looks like if you have errors. Once you have fixed the errors, the validation report will have a Next button at the top. Click Next to continue. eForms will then ask you to enter a unique number for the submission. It can be any number as long as you have not used it for a submission before. Automatically, eForms will start at 1 and work its way up for each submission. Click OK to continue. In steps 6 and 7, you will submit your XML file to the CRA. Using the Go to Internet Filing web page button in step 7, proceed to the CRA website. Follow the instructions on the CRA filing website, and when asked for an XML file, using the folder path and file name from step 6, submit the XML you created. Once you reach the submission confirmation on the CRA website, enter the submission number in step 8 and click Finish. eForms will then ask you if you want to set the status to Filed by XML. Click Yes. This has been another AvanTax eForms Quick Help video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca.